Well, let's go to part 2 here on the same day, August 1st, Tuesday. Everybody's back to work now. Lunchtime is over. And we'll show you some of the work that's being done. And I also wanted to show you something to do with the plumbing. So he's mixing cement. He's getting ready to plaster this wall. He's got a plumb bob there. Let's go up here. And as I asked, they had already planned on cleaning up this mess. So they're going to clean this up a little bit. It's a little bit dangerous, nails sticking out, stuff like that, but they're going to get all this stuff out of here. That was from the forming of all of this. So one of the plumbing things I wanted to show you was, well, first off, I had mentioned this window, and then when I got to think of it, it's right above the sink, one of the two sinks in the master, and you can't have a window above a sink, because then you don't have a mirror. Could move it up to a much smaller window, but I don't think that's a great idea. We already have one window right here, so it'll be okay. We'll just infill this. So what I wanted to show you was, so this bigger one here, this is a toilet. Smaller one over there is a drain. And same thing on this toilet and a drain. And that's just the way they do it here in the Philippines. Wherever you have a toilet, you have a drain. I guess if your toilet ever overflows, that'll be handy. I guess it also makes it easier when you're mopping up from cleaning the floor. Someplace to push the water to. Anyway, I tried to talk them out of putting drains in the floor, but the guys kind of insisted because they're really used to doing it that way, and frankly I don't care a lot. I think there's one in the kitchen as well. And there's in this, what they call the common bath, there is also a drain and a toilet. So this is the future bathroom. And then these guys are doing the fascia for the roof overhang here. Inch walls, and we'll chip out the block, push the electrical and the wiring through it, I guess, and then they will put a plaster coat over it, just like they've done here. Okay, that will conclude part 2. Again, thanks for joining us, and if you're liking the content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.